Hey guys, this is Hari Chef Stan. I won't talk much about what had happened in the past, but I'll talk more about what I do here at work. As you all know, I handle two jobs, and both jobs can be extremely stressful. On a normal basis, you'd see me either doing a lot of paperwork or in the kitchen or training. Whatever it is, I'm usually very busy. But it's not always like that. If people think my busy life doesn't have any excitement, wait till you see what I do when I get bored. Yes, I also get bored at work. It's not all the time that I stand up and do something. There will always be that idle time when I just don't know what to do. And when that happens, usually I think of something to engage myself in for me to fill the time. So here are the few things I do when I get bored. I stick post-its on my face. I practice my evil laugh. I just staple everything I see. I bug my coworkers. I attempt to kill my boss. And if all else fails and doesn't seem to keep me occupied for some reason, I engage myself into a song. So, what do you do when you're bored? Write on the comment box below and tell me what you do to fill your time when you're bored at work. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter, that's twitter.com/HariChefStan, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Hot Bench Boy Tris. That's it for me, guys. And again, this is Hari Chef Stan saying there's always room for another plate of food. See you next time.